Welcome back, guys. My name is Darren Tang, and this is Break 800, where I bring on somebody that I know, or maybe I don't know, and we're gonna try to bowl together best frame to break 800 for 3 games. Today, I have my girlfriend, Jana. Yay! She's so excited to be here. What do you have to say to all your fans?
Hello, buy my merch.
You call them Fanta.
Fanas. You like Fanas?
Yeah, I like that.
Fanas good? All right. So we're gonna be Team Jada today. Oh, it didn't save. Hang on 1 second, please. Uno momento.
Team Jada, but we're on different teams.
No, we're bowling together.
Oh, then who are we versing?
We're just trying to break 800.
So
Clearly, I didn't preface the challenge to her, but we're Team Jada today. Jada?
Jada.
She's gonna go first. We're gonna take turns so that she doesn't just bowl 300 by herself and I get to throw some shots. Are you ready?
Okay.
Oh, here we go. See it? Look a little. Did it? All right.
Damn.
Pair it up.
I had my grudge.
If we just throw an 8-bagger every game, we're good, right? 8-bagger is good for 260 usually. 2 spares and 8 strikes, that's 260. 260 every game with good count gets us 800. If we could bowl 300 one game, that would be ideal. Yeah. Yeah. How many spares did you shoot before that one?
0.
So good.
And I'm bad on my left side.
I'm gonna throw the eye on maximum. It's got a chance.
Why doesn't my ball look like that?
We gotta go through rev rate training. I think that needs to hook a lot. Oh, a little more rev rate. Wheel. Yeah.
Woo! I can't say my line yet. Thank you.
Yes.
Wow.
We are bowling on 46 feet, by the way, if you were wondering why our ball's not hooking.
I
Again?
grunted.
Again? Again?
Woo!
Yes! I missed that one at the bottom. All right, we need you here. Oh,
Double dribble.
we need you to strike here so that we can keep
I don't get it.
300 alive.
I forgot where I was standing.
Maybe? Catch? All right, so we have 9 spare for this frame.
There's a piece of hair. There's in my ball.
It's your hair.
That's your hair.
How is this my hair? My hair's never been this long in my life.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, chill.
It looks healthy. You gotta go again.
When you said it threw me off. My hair's never been this long in my life.
Let's get us back on track here. We need to try to get as much as possible as soon as possible.
Oh no!
See it? No!
I'm sorry. That should have carried.
Should have. As long as we shoot over 200 the first game, we have a chance. I gotta lock in here. I gotta lock in.
I made a weird noise.
I'm moving 1.
You're so good.
I'm moving 1 more on the next shot.
Good job, babe.
I think this calls for a ball change soon.
Ew.
I think I need to change balls. Oh boy. No. Let's try to throw a strike.
Just strike.
Just strike. It's got a chance. Oh, we get 8 spare. Sorry, it's like 9 spare. We bowl 250 still. It's all right. Oh.
I have to be Brian though. That's my lake partner.
Yeah, you'll be Brian.
What did I do wrong?
I'd have been a little fast. No more hit down on it. Hit down on it. Oh, strap. That's gonna bang. No. Shot.
I hate 10 pins.
We love 10 pins. All right, 250 puts us a little behind the pace, but we'll be okay. Nice.
Womp
I
womp.
think I should just throw the clean ball. So, this one.
Start straight.
We're sending it now. We're sending it.
Wow. That's a cool one.
All right, I'm gonna wrap the game up. Hopefully no pressure on her. Actually, this would have been better if I got to go second. Then I get a read. Go. It wasn't my best, but very nice result. Yeah.
Why didn't you use that ball from the start?
Okay. Clean ball scares me though, with a shiny ball.
It looks so good though.
It does. Very dangerous. Oh no. All right, get them all. They feel a little flatter than the last time I bowled with Brian. Oh, it's fast. Get lucky.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to live with
Am I
27 in the
crying?
fill there. We'll roll with the overseas ball as much as I don't want to. I'm sure Storm will want me to. We're going for it though. We're currently pacing 778, so we gotta pick it up a little bit. We gotta find 22 pins somewhere.
So it's slower?
A little slower, or if you want to move right. I feel like there's plenty of hook to the right.
I'll just move 2 right. I just have PTSD because every time you bowl here, my ball doesn't come back when you throw it to the right.
Throw it to the left. Move 2 and 1. One with your eyes.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Ah! Good shot. That's a good shot.
I pulled it.
That's the miss though. If you're gonna miss left.
I just threw it kind of fast.
Could have struck. I think 300 is gonna be pretty important at some point. The last game maybe. Nice. My nose hurts still.
Phew.
Very good. Very good. That one was pretty sauced. Saucy. Team Jada. Da's turn.
They can be our kid's name.
Jada.
Or Daja.
Daja. Daja. All right, we're locking in a little bit here. Come on now.
What will you shoot if you just shoot a perfect 300?
It would be 300. Get down on it. All right, we're plus 56. We started with a double. 300 right here would be big. Big. Catch a little.
Oh!
Get it! Yep.
Woo! Spare queen.
Spare queen. This pattern does have 31 mils, I believe, so it's quite a bit. Go, 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 go! Just hitting it so early. We need to be far enough left so that we have hold. Punching the lane's never a good idea. It hurts a lot.
It's okay.
Yeah, we got life. 279, 279, we got enough. I gotta step up here. I'm moving 2.
Ooh. Say my line, say my line.
I'm so good.
Yeah.
Buy my merch.
Yep.
Buy her merch.
Yeah.
Buy the merch.
I'm sorry, I can't strike.
It's okay.
No guarantee.
Uno más, por favor.
See.
I like the speed. I like it.
Oh my god. I was gonna say I'm so good in Spanish, but
Ow!
that was so nice.
It was a good one.
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. It's the Golden Coast and their pins. I spare. Soy muy bueno. Wow. Uno más, por favor. Learn Spanish with Jada. Oh my God, Darren, what are you?
Oh, soy muy bueno.
We got away with one there.
We have one left?
One left.
It's Jaw's turn.
All right, one left. Good shot. Strike bang. A little firm. Should be okay. Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Good move. Yep. Dig into the well. One more time. Come on. I'm gonna move one more. It's left every time. Hit it. God. Every time I cut one, I try to catch it a little more, and I just over the top it. 4 pins. Oh, that's just. Hold me up.
Nah.
Maybe.
So clutch. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Big Get big.
Big.
Very good, very good.
Ha. No grunting.
You do what you gotta do. Another strike here. Put us in a nice and comfy spot.
Oh no.
Lay there like a rug. Nar. All right.
No. That's fine, as long as you strike.
Yeah, I got a strike now.
Oh.
Good spare. They feel way flatter than the last. I'm not saying they're hard, but they're just flatter than the last time we did this challenge. There we go. All right, we got life.
Go duh.
Duh. Maybe. Ooh. 270 locked.
Good job, babe.
I feel like count could matter, but I feel like I still want to try. That should hold. Alright. I don't know if it makes any sense to go to that, but we'll keep throwing the gold one. Locked in 279, so we're going to have 535 at the turn. Magic number 265. Can we do it? Yeah, the strike in the eighth was huge. It saved us 21 pins. I think the hardest part about this challenge is managing the transition because it is a longer pattern, so it's going to transition faster than normal. Like we're not playing anywhere close to each other, and I've still moved 7 already. 7 in 2 games, and I've gotten behind the move a couple times already. Some bad shots, but I feel like those bad shots still, if I was ahead of the move, they would have been okay. All right, 535, 279 game 2. Let's get 300. 835.
I'm trying.
835.
I'll just stick with my 9 pounds and some strikes.
You got unlucky that game. I think you're gonna strike a little more this game. Oh, play, rug.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. That gives me free reign to try a different ball or move my feet. Oh, that's so bad. I'm just getting so handsy. We could spare this. I underestimate how much they hook to the right. All right, hold me up. Carry Fairy, give us some love. It's online. Spared us.
Oh no.
Hook.
My bad.
That's okay. You had the good frame there. Now we need them all. 265, strike to the fill, and then
Is it my turn?
7.
Oh no.
I got you. This is getting, ooh.
They're offline.
You want to re-rack? Oh, all right.
Pick me up. That was amazing.
Oh my God, they don't hook that much. Never mind, they do. Whoa. I'm playing for the miss left when the miss is to the right. Oh my gosh. All right, we got life. What? I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was good. I'm changing balls. That one can't happen.
Wow. That was amazing.
Thank you. Really?
Same.
Textbook. That's legitimately like, people think you gotta hook into it, but I think it's the cutter, because it's hard to hook into it, have the 3-pin go over and get them both, and still get the 9-pin. It doesn't matter because we have to strike out, but. Oh, slow. Has a chance. Oh! Let's go! Yes! Woo!
You're more excited than me.
It keeps us alive. That was exciting. I'm sorry, I'm not stepping up right now. I'm starting now.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
It's so good.
Thank goodness.
So good.
I'm so good.
Come on, blue ball, do it. Here we go. Uncharted territory. I need you to hold me up. Come on, Team Summit. One more. One more.
Team Summit.
It has life. Yes! She's so good!
Woo! Hey, don't get me too excited. You're weird.
Let's go. Uno más, por favor. Carry me home. Yep. Yep. Oh, why'd that hook so much? I liked it.
I don't like it.
I don't like the result. You throw it good.
Kind of threw it too slow and on the tighter part of where I...
You can probably move one.
I tried too much.
All right. Where were we here? Are we 9-pinned in this spot? Honestly, it's overdid.
Thank you.
Thank you. I like it.
Do you say that when he's here too?
No, I don't dare. He still kind of scares me.
I like it.
I like it too. The more I throw this one, the more oh, sick. Hurt a lot. Oh.
Start up.
I'm just so conflicted. Like I'm not committed to what I want to do. Maybe I should throw. Just don't overthink it. Just don't.
He's spare.
You got this. We have been the dream team thus far this game. Ooh, one left. One left. There's a lot of oil in the lane. Do something cool.
Are we making it?
We can make it.
Are we making it?
We need a 3-bagger right here. All right, one more good one.
Please.
I like it.
Please.
I like it.
Oh,
go.
no.
Get lucky. There's the reason why it's a team effort. All right. Spare. Oh, that was the hit. That was the hit. It's all right.
Strike.
Strike. Was the 9-pin just a one-off? There's a little spot, like halfway down the lane, where it just checks off of it. I think I'm to the left of it now. Should be fine.
Good job, babe.
Oh, I can close it out here. We need a double and count.
You got it. Oh! You're so good.
Something tells me this is not the right ball for the situation, but
It's okay. It's
hey,
working.
here we are. We still need to count. 7. This is that weird count where I can throw it straight, but I can also get 6 if I throw it straight.
Just get it done.
That's not getting 7.
Woo! Did we make it?
We did it! 8 over 3!
Do I still need a bowl?
Finish it out. Yeah. Victory lap. Run it. Hey, we did it.
You did everything.
You were so clutch. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What are you doing? Oh.
All right, guys, the first thing I want to say, we beat Bryson. He hasn't broken 50 yet. I know that's a lot harder than breaking 800, but I don't care. We have a challenge, and we did it. At least I hope we beat him by the time this video comes out. But anyway, big shout out to Miss I'm So Good herself. I don't know if the shirt's still available, but please consider purchasing one on dynastybowl.com, among other things on that website. Hey, we did it. You don't look excited.
I felt bad.
Why do you feel bad? You had 3 extremely clutch shots in there. And we did it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow on Instagram. Link should be in the description down below. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna give a ball away, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 100 again at 100K on Instagram. So let's make that happen. And we'll see you next time. Bye.